Hello and welcome to Mathematics with Simon. I'm Simon. It has been pointed out to me that in the recent video that we did on factorization, some of the calculations in there could have been done by polynomial division. So I'll put a link in the description. So my friend Simon Howard, who I was at university and in the sixth form with, pointed out that in that video we factorized x squared minus 4x plus 3 as x minus 3 times x minus 1, and then we cancel the x minus 3's. But actually that could also have been done by polynomial division. So we're just going to go through the examples in that factorization video and look at how we'd approach them using polynomial division. Also, my friend Steve was discussing this with me as well. Steve's working as a maths teacher, which is wonderful. So basically, how do we divide x squared minus 4x plus 3 by x minus 3? The first thing is we say, how many x's in x squared? Well, there are x's in x squared. So we put the x on the top, and then we multiply x minus 3 by x, which gives us x squared minus 3x. We then subtract these two terms. So x squared minus 4x minus x squared minus 3x is just minus x. We bring down the plus 3. And then we ask, how many times does x minus 3 go into minus x plus 3? Well, minus x plus 3 is the negative of x minus 3, so it goes in minus 1 times. And then we say, right, let's multiply minus 1 by x minus 3, put that below minus x plus 3, take them away, we get 0. And the fact that we get 0 shows that x minus 3 was a factor. The fact that there's no remainder shows that we're dividing by a factor. Okay, let's look at another. So x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 3. So there's a trick here, which is to realize that x squared minus 9 is the same as x squared minus 0x minus 9. And we put that in just to make the method work smoothly. So how many x's in x squared? There are x's in x squared. Then we multiply x minus 3 by x. We get x squared minus 3x. Take x squared minus 3x away from x squared minus 0x. We get plus 3x. Bring down the minus 9. How many times does x minus 3 go into 3x minus 9? Well, it goes in 3 times, so it's plus 3. Then we times x minus 3 by 3. We get 3x minus 9. 3x minus 9 minus 3x minus 9 is 0. So again, x minus 3 is a factor of x squared minus 9. This is the famous difference of two squares. So x minus 3 times x plus 3 is x squared minus 9, which is 3 squared. And finally, let's look at a cubic, which again we covered in the video on factorization. So x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1. Divide that by x minus 1. How many x's in x cubed? There are x squared x's in x cubed. Times x minus 1 by x squared, we get x cubed minus x squared. Take them away from each other, we get minus 2x squared. How many x's in minus 2x squared? Oh no, we've got to bring down the 3x. So firstly, before we do the division, we bring down the 3x from above. How many x's in minus 2x squared? There are minus 2x of them. Then we multiply x minus 1 by minus 2x. We get minus 2x squared, and then we multiply minus 1 by minus 2x. We get 2x. So we get minus 2x squared plus 2x, which we take away from minus 2x squared plus 3x, which gives us x. Bring down the minus 1. How many x minus 1s in x minus 1? There is plus 1. 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1. Take them away from each other, we get 0. This was an exact factor. In fact, as it happens, x minus 1 is a repeated factor of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1, because x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 is x minus 1 cubed. So you can actually divide x squared minus 2x plus 1 by x minus 1, and that will also be a factor, and the result of that division will be another x minus 1. I hope you like this. I liked making it. You're very welcome to subscribe and hit the bell. I'd love to hear your ideas, and I hope you enjoy your mathematics.